welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a project share of Zenobia's challenge that she is hosting. It's her first one, and all she's asking for is an ATC card or Mendex, and you also include a beadable blank to her. And this is what I made and what I am sending to her. I believe you got till May to participate, so if you want to, I'll have all her info in the description below. So go ahead and subscribe, check her out, give her some crafty love. And yeah, like I said, if you want to go ahead and join the challenge, there is still some time. So what I am sending her, I made Mendex for her challenge. I created this, well, I love Halloween and I love cuteness and pink and all the good stuff. So I went ahead and did almost a cutesy Halloween. And what I did is the stamp and the sentiment is from Whimsy Stamps, and it is Edward Scissorhands. So I went ahead and stamped those out and die cut them out because they do have a coordinating die. I did do some watercoloring with my watercoloring markers to give them a little gray look. I also added like a rosette out of tulle, and I added this mesh, black mesh, to kind of look like a spider web. Of course, I had to add some cuteness, so I added the florals here, and I got some, there were some jemmies, and then this pink one. I also added a ruffler underneath, so just my base. And I don't know if you could see, I also added some spiderweb cardstock with some glitter pink cardstock. Thought this came out super cute. And in July, usually after 4th of July is when I really start thinking about Halloween. But this year I went ahead and started already. So yeah, that is what I made. And then I also have some info inside, and it is connected with Velcro. You can just open it. Right here I do have my address, and I did have my info down here of my crafty likes, my seasons, the holidays I like, and also added my YouTube and Insta on there, so she can have that also. And I also added another Edward Scissorhands. I think he is so cute that, so I added him inside, and also watercolor marker with on his face to give him a little grayish look. But yeah, so that is the Mendex I created, and I will link the dies and stamps of the Whimsy, so if you want to go ahead and get that, I'll have that info in the description. So the next thing I am sending in is this beadable, I like glam, so I sent it in this black beadable pen, and look at that, look at the AB shine to this black one. So I'm adding that one, and I did do in a theme of black and pink because I love black and pink, and it matches with my Mendex. And then the next thing I'm sending in is this heart-shaped keychain, and it does have the heart-shaped clasps and the fuzzy heart, and it also has where you could put some beads on here and have it dangle. Love this, love it. This right here screams me. It screams me. And if you notice, it's a pink heart. I love Valentine's Day. And then the last thing I am sending is a little pokey tool, and this is a little small one. Look at that. I figured you could have fun with that one. But yeah, that is what I'm sending for her challenge. And like I said, I will have all her info in the description below. So if you want to go ahead and join, do so, because you still have lots of time to enter. But yeah, with that, I'll have all the links below, all the goodies, so that you go ahead and get it. And make sure you check out her channel, give her some love. And yeah, and with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.